What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. Let's go ahead and jump on into today's video and see where we're starting today off at. Gold has retreated some overnight, currently at 1921.25. Silver has seen a little bit of a dip. It's back under $25 at $24.96, giving us a ratio of 76.98. Platinum is down slightly as well, currently at $892.58, and palladium is steady at $24.58.33. In other metals markets, rhodium gained $700 yesterday, a big gain for them, currently at $13,800. We did see losses in base metals. Copper was down 3 cents, at $3.11. Nickel is down slightly at $7.17. Aluminum steady at 82 cents. Zinc is at $1.14, and lead actually gained another penny at 81 cents. Barrels of crude oil are up currently, just barely, currently at $40.39. We saw a little bit of a loss on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow was down 97 points, closing out at 28,210.82. The NASDAQ was down 31 points at 11,484.69. And the S&P 500 was down only 7 points at 34,35.56. We have seen a little bit of a rebound in the U.S. dollar index, which could be the reason why we're seeing the slight drops in precious metals. It is just shy of 93, currently at 92.92. If you guys are into Bitcoin, you are in very, very good positions right now. Bitcoin went over $13,000 yesterday. Big gains, real quick gains for them. Bitcoin is currently at $12,977.66. That is a gain of $1,642 in the last 7 days. So big gains over there. If you guys happen to exchange the gold back, whether that be the Utah or the Nevadan, those are exchanging at $3.22 today. I do expect that to drop once their market opens. In today's video, I want to talk about something that isn't being talked about anywhere near enough in the stacking and numismatic communities, and that is 2 weeks from today, we have the release of the American Silver Eagle Privy Mark and the American Gold Eagle Privy Mark, the V75 Privy Mark. These will be the first U.S. coins to feature the Privy Marks, and they are going to be a low mintage. The gold is very low. The only other channel that I really hear talking about this is Silver Wolverine. He was very instrumental and did a lot of videos last year when the enhanced reverse proof from San Francisco came out, and there was a lot of hype behind that. There was only 30,000 of those made. Now this silver, American Silver Eagle, that's coming out next month, it's got 75,000, I apologize, mintage. The Gold Eagle only has a mintage of 1,945. It is going to be one of the rarities that you can possibly get in your collection. Why nobody's talking about this, I'm not sure why. These are going to be collectors' items. They're going to have a good premium on them, I feel like, and they're going to hold the premium, especially on the silver. The gold is going to be outrageous. I do plan on trying to get one of the gold ones, but the silver ones will be nice to have as a backup anyway. Let's go ahead and jump into this article, though. This comes to us from Numismatic News. Sorry, the print on this article is very, very small. The year 2020 marks 75 years since the end of World War II. Many countries' mints are celebrating this occasion, and the U.S. Mint is no different. On November 5th, that is a Thursday, at noon Eastern Standard Time, the Mint is set to release 2 coins commemorating this event. An end of World War II 75th anniversary American Gold Eagle Proof coin and Silver Proof coin with a special privy mark. The symbolic V75 privy mark is stamped on the obverse of both coins. The design outline of the privy mark represents an aerial view shape of the the rainbow pool located in West Potomac Park in Washington, D.C. That is now an integral part of the World War II memorial, according to the Mint's website. It prompts sober reflection, appreciation, reverence, and hope for the thousands who visit each year. The mintage limit and product limit for the $50 gold coin is just 1,945, household limit of 1. The mintage of the $1 American Eagle Silver Proof coin is 75,000 and also has a household limit of 1. So we're going to try to hype this up, guys. I feel like the silver one is attainable with a mintage of 70,000. We can kind of go back and look at last year's, call it debacle, with the San Francisco enhanced reverse proof. There was 30,000 of those available, and the Mint had trouble with those. It was 10 minutes that they were gone. So, with this one, you have 70,000. So maybe, it might take 20 minutes or so for this to sell out. The gold one, which I'm going for, I do think that you just have to get lucky for that one. With only 1,945 of those, it is going to be nearly impossible. And I think the Mint has that price set at nearing $2,700 for those. So they are priced out of most people's budgets, but it's worth the gamble to try to get one. So I'm definitely going to try to get my hands on one of those. It's one of those coins that's going to be worth, $30, $40, $50,000 pretty much as soon as you get it in the slab. So be looking to do that for sure. But the silver one is definitely attainable. It's not going to fetch the premiums that the enhanced reverse proof did last year, but it is something where, if you are looking to, if you're looking to do a quick flip, certainly you can probably double or maybe even triple your money there. I think this would probably be kind to the Pride of Two Nations American Silver Eagle that we saw last year and the year before. As far as pricing that you see that is available for it now, I think you can get those for about $125 to $150. So be worth taking a look at, guys. Well, let me know what you guys are going to do on Thursday, November 5th at noon. Are you going to be sitting in front of your computer? I know I will be. So let me know down in the comments, guys. We're going to be talking about this coin a lot more here in the coming next couple weeks. And I do plan on doing a live stream when I'm trying to buy that. So, all right, guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old IndyXP Bullion, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. It helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up on all the latest and greatest content, consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner ping pong so you can stay notified of when that content comes out. Of course, we're going to pop the card up here in the corner. That's going to be your gateway to the previous content. You can start catching up on the back catalog. Guys, whew. Been holding that cough in for a bit. Guys, I've been IndyXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.